Hi everybody, happy Saturday. I would like to show you how I made this warped plastic junk journal. I started off with 2 pieces of construction paper and painted one of them on the outside with multiple colors. I stapled them together, leaving the inside cover the original blue. With Mod Podge that I bought from the Dollar Tree, I used 4 layers to get this plastic look. It dries within seconds. After that, I took a small stack of purple paper. Folding one of the pieces of paper in half, I then took the entire stack and put under my paper slicer, using the fold as a guide. It may not cut all the way through, so just separate the paper and then cut again. Stacking the paper, I used these clothespins to hold together, and then with a paintbrush I took a little dab of Mod Podge and glued the edge of the book. I repeated this several times. I want the bind to be secure, so I took little white pieces of paper, cut them into pieces, and spread Mod Podge on the edge, and then glued into place. When completely dry, it might sound crazy, but I hit the sewing machine and I was very careful to make sure that I didn't break a needle. And there you have it. Now I created this fold all on my own, so watch very carefully. When I take this top layer, I fold it all the way around the bind to the back of the book. I now take that and the second to last page and glue them together, and then glue them to the back of the cover. I chose to use hot glue for security. I also used a little hot glue to put these little strips to cover the imperfections and the staples on the back cover. I will also repeat on the front cover. I'm now going to place this fake tattoo on the bottom of the glass gemstone, as though you would on your skin. Carefully dab a little Mod Podge and place in the center of your book. Secure overnight with a heavy book or a rock. Here is the final outcome of the book. I also placed an embellishment sticker on the front. I'm going to use this little book for my most favorite positive quotes and prayer quotes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make it your own, everybody, and have fun. Please like this video and send your friends and family on over. Peace out and stay positive.